Hello, so this is the continuation of high frequency. So if you have not seen part 1, please take a moment and look at it. And so I will continue with my next question. If you have any questions, please consider it in putting them below, because I reply to every single question. My name is Maria, and welcome to Aglaia Aesthetics Online. As I mentioned before, I'm an instructor and an examiner, so I've seen these devices over and over, so I know exactly how they work. Does the high frequency wand or device cause purging? Now, the high frequency, which is an oscillating current, it does stimulate and does aid the sebum regulation or the oil regulation. It stimulates the blood circulation. So when you're having a lot of things moving, yes, you will start seeing some purging before your skin gets better. Now, number 14, do high frequency wands emits a smell? The glass electrode will lighten up with a purple, which is argon, or orange, which is neon, depending on the type of gas present in the chamber. When you touch the glass wand to the skin, you'll hear a mild buzzing sound and a smell, which is ozone gas given off by the actual device. Number 15. Can you use high frequency on dry skin? Absolutely. Now I have a tutorial on Viennese massage and indirect high frequency, and it's really good, so please look at it. Now, indirect high frequency or Viennese massage is an effective treatment for those with dry, dehydrated skin and even aging with fine lines. The treatment delivers high frequency current onto the skin and underlying tissues, generating a warmth within the skin and stimulating the nerve endings. And take a moment to view that tutorial, because I do explain that in detail. Number 16, can I use high frequency if I have any form of fillers, collagen, if I have Botox? The heat from this type of treatment will not affect the dermal filler. The oscillating current of the high frequency is very, very superficial, and the high frequency, the ultrasound, radio frequency, or CO2 lasers will not melt your filler. Number 17, does high frequency boost collagen and work on wrinkles? Now, the high frequency increases oxygen to the skin, improving the overall texture and tone and glow. All this promotes collagen stimulation, stimulates the fibroblast of the skin and elastin production, providing a firmer and more youthful appearance. Because it promotes lymphatic drainage, it also helps shrink any puffiness around the eyes. But it does not happen only after one treatment. You do have to do it several times and be very consistent. Now, number 18, does high frequency get rid of acne scars? Now, during this treatment, a glass electrode is applied to the skin, creating a sparking effect. This effect eliminates bacteria and inflammation deep within the pimple and requires minimal downtime for recovery. However, to see good results with scars, I would add microneedling, microdermabrasion once a month. By itself, I don't see that the high frequency will help with deep scar tissue. It might help with not deep scar tissue, because it does stimulate the fibroblasts, and in turn the fibroblasts will form additional collagen, and it will help a little bit, but not for deep scar tissue. Number 19, how do I prepare my skin for high frequency? And this is a very, very important question, that you don't just get your high frequency machine and you start working onto the skin, because that will cause more problem. So you need to prep your skin. That means remove your makeup, cleanse your skin with a pH balanced cleanser, and rinse the cleanser thoroughly. Then you pat dry. It's also a good to use a facial steamer for about 5 to 10 minutes, and I do see that tutorial that I have one, the benefits of steamers. Now, while you have the steamer, use a gentle scrub, and so the gentle scrub will remove all the dead skin. Then, after you have done your scrub, of course, wash the scrub off, and now you are ready for the high frequency machine application. Now, all this is optional, it's not necessary. It is only that you are cleaning and removing all the dead skin. Now, if you have a mature skin with a high frequency, you could apply a serum or a night cream for better absorption. After that's all done, you can apply a mask for your skin type, leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, remove the mask, apply a moisturizer. So you're giving yourself a mini relaxing detoxifying facial. Amazing. Number 20, it's a good question, but it's a continuation of my previous one. What do you do after a high frequency? Let's say you don't want to do a facial. Now, you may experience minor redness right away after the treatment. Don't apply any makeup for at least 8 hours following the treatment. So after you've done your high frequency, you might want to use a toner, a balancing toner, witch hazel. Apply your moisturizer as usual. Remember to drink lots of water, hydrate your skin internally. Now, water is important if you have blemishes, to eliminate detox, to eliminate all your toxins. And if you have a mature skin, you are going to feed and bring moisture to the skin from within. So it's all a positive thing with water. Number 21, does high frequency help with inflammation? Now, high frequency oxygenates the surface of the skin, kills the pathogenic bacteria, stimulates circulation and aids in detoxification, and contracts the capillaries. So what it does, it minimizes the redness and inflamed skin. This kind of treatment also can aid in shrinking of pores, reducing signs of aging, and stopping the persistent acne on its tracks. Number 22. So to conclude, how long does high frequency take to work? Well, when using for anti-acne purpose or blemishes, high-frequency facials will usually show the best results after 12 to 24 hours after you've done the treatment. And you can expect to see less inflammation, less redness. However, for the mature skin, to achieve a smoother, firmer complexion may take a couple of weeks of regular use. High frequency works best with implementing good diet, drinking more water, intermittent fasting. I have a tutorial on that. Drinking liquid collagen, good skincare line, in conjunction with other treatments like galvanic current, radiofrequency, microneedling, just to name a few. I have them all. So after these 2 parts of high frequency, I would advise you to look at my 2 tutorials on high frequency. How does high frequency actually works on the skin? So you will have a full understanding on how high frequency works on your skin. Let me know below if you have any further questions. If you have not subscribed yet and you enjoyed this tutorial or these tutorials, please consider it. Give me a like. It would help me immensely. Click on the notification bell so you will miss none of my educational tutorials. I hope that you found this video to be useful and walk away with simple and easy tips. Remember to treat yourself with love and respect. Until the next time, take care.